How to fix Triodos Bank App not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if app is up to date or not. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the top, you're going to see the storage box. Over there, type in the app name, Triodos Bank, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of general, hit or to the option of iPhone storage. Now over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed on a device. Find the app Triodos. After you find it, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply another solution. That is, you will need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Triodos. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Triodos Bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.